guys, it's Eileen with Creative by Designs. I'm just working on an order for some plant gnomes, and I thought I'd take you along for the ride. So I started out using one of my terracotta pots. I filled that with the gaps and cracks, and I'm just taking some sheet moss that I cut out to fit over the top of the pot, and I'm going to hot glue that on. And next I have a little thin strip of the sheet moss that I'm going to hot glue around the top edge of the terracotta pot and get that to go all the way around over the beard, pulling the beard down so we don't have any kinks in our beard. And just make it look good. Make it look all nice and tidy, guys. So once I have everything secured around the top of my pot, I'm just going to grab some greenery. Here's some of my favorite greenery. I get this at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to do a test run, see how it looks, fit everything in there. You guys, I'm not a floral designer, but this is really super easy. Anyone can do it. So once I figured out my design, I did put them back in with some hot glue, and now I'm just taking another variety of moss just to give it some more, you know, texture and color around the pot. It's a garden gnome, guys, you know. We want all the different textures and colors for the mosses. What I love about this, it brings me to, like, I love fairy gardens, guys, you know, anything like mystical. And I just think this brings that fun, whimsy, mystical look. And who doesn't love the little gnome, right? So once we have that all decorated, I'm just going to grab a little round wood ball and I'm going to hot glue that into the beard. I want to part the beard and make sure that I get down to the backing of the fabric, so that the glue is going to really hold. I don't want to just glue it on top of the fur. I want to get it to the backing, and that's going to keep it nice and secure. And there you have it, guys. Super cute. Now we're just going to wrap it up pretty. And of course, we're always going to include a nice handwritten note for our customer. Tie it up with a little twine, make it look real cute. And that's it. This one is shipping off to California, guys. My second order this week, heading to the sunny state of California. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, a sprinkle. There's my little note with my business card. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you all soon.